Is Bowditch out there? And
Just wait for Ken Root, right, and his first son, right?
that's the files I got.
Yep. They're saying. That's green. Other files too.
Yeah, we got quite a pile. Sure.
We might have already. Parents about which books that that's listed at last time, you know, do not have. Sorry. That's a shame.
What am I talking about?
Spend some time. Okay, we just put it, it just needs to put in the file.
Very sure.
Are we crossing off, Judge?
We're down to the bottom.
Okay. Defense have one of the files there for you.
Yeah, I got no plea agreement for her. How about Nadine Rue?
Records in Q and P 64917. Things you believe could be happening.
I understand Ms. Rue is going to plead responsible to double parking. She's agreed to pay fines at cost of $225 and all three charges, dog at large, and dog at large would be dismissed. Is that correct? And Ms. Rue, can you pay that today?
I can pay it in November.
Third?
Which piece you?
I'm gonna put it on the 58. All right, so those three misdemeanors will be dismissed when we get the $225 payment on or before the 3rd. Any questions? All right, good luck.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
This moment right here is a textbook example of how minor offenses are often resolved in court. Ms. Rue pleads responsible to one charge, double parking, and in exchange, 3 separate dog-at-large charges are dismissed. That's not leniency, that's leverage. The court secures payment, avoids trial, and clears the docket efficiently. But here's the question for you. Is this fair accountability, or does money simply make problems disappear faster?
How about Crystal Miller? We can pass. We just want a German on that one.
That's going to be kind of the next year.
Same with Chavez?
Yeah, I was looking to get some attendance records, figure out exactly what's going on.
All right. Is Ms. Chavis in the building or in the room? Ms. Chavis, we're gonna get you an adjournment on today's file, but it looks like you owe us money on some other stuff. Are you in a position to set up some kind of payment plan?
Yes.
Can you do that before you leave the building?
First for time to pick my son up from the bus stop, so I can come back instead of.
You can do it online, but it's a lot easier if you just come back.
Oh.
So
Okay.
how about tomorrow?
Yeah.
I'll just make a note. We'll expect you tomorrow. If you gotta go, go. We'll mail you a notice for, when is it gonna be, November?
Mr. Bo, do you want November 18th?
That would be fantastic.
Yeah.
So the next court date would be November 18th, 1:30. We'll mail it to the Bridgewood address.
Thank you.
That work? That works?
Yeah.
Okay. And Andre Bradford.
Your Honor, we are unable to resolve this. The police chief might indicate otherwise.
I just say adjourn. All four files, November 18th. And Mr. Bradford, you owe us some money on other stuff too, lots of money. Have you talked to, folks downstairs about a payment plan or a community service plan or some combination of charity work and money?
Service and then I had a school problem there. I'm just going Friday.
So you had been doing some community service? Go down and talk to Mr. Taylor, get set up again. Gotta do something to close the files. All right. All right, have a seat. We'll get you a notice to come back in November.
Notice the shift in tone here. This isn't just about unresolved files anymore. It's about a pattern. The judge points out unpaid balances, previous community service, and the need to do something to close these cases. Courts don't just punish, they track behavior. When obligations pile up, patience runs thin. So ask yourself, if you were in this position, would you choose service, payment, or risk the consequences of doing neither?
That's it. Last, I don't have any more plea agreements.
Ms. Miller.
We're doing adjournment. Miller's an adjournment. Miss Miller, we're just gonna get you a piece of, where's Miss Miller? We're just gonna get you a piece of paper for the court date in November. I've got Thomas, Quinny, and Kennebrew.
So there's a number of people that this, by the way, to the attorney, and just handle it.
I didn't even hear that.
Yeah, all right, yes.
Yeah, I'm just gonna call him to see if he's coming in or not, and if not, then yes, you could handle it.
What is it? You're saying, what is, when he is here?
I don't know if the body's here. I got files.
I spoke to her.
How about
Her.
Asia Thomas?
That's the other party.
Okay,
Andy Thomas and Queen, the other two parties left out there.
okay. And Miss Kennebrew's files are here.
Civil infraction too, that I understand is gonna be adjourned.
I don't have a plea agreement. I don't have a plea agreement on anything.
Yeah, man,
Okay.
that's what it should.
The warranted file you want adjourned,
The warrants file,
I was kind of.
Oh, here's the plea agreements.
well, try to.
So, yeah, so I've got one file, 981. It's a blight ticket from September 16, 24. Is that being dismissed?
No, being adjourned.
All right, is that the only file that's scheduled today and then the rest is all just reviews?
Those are motion things.
Motion hearings? Whose motion?
Prosecutors, this is a civil matter, cleaning up the blight on the property. Court has
So-
the opportunity to review my opinions on it.
All right. So that would be the April 29, 25 blight on property, case ending in 594, and then 596, blight on property, incident date 429. And then April 29 again, case number ending in 595. So those three civil infraction blight tickets, that's the motion.
Falls Your Honor, we're here pursuant to MCL 600.
Yep. All right, have you discussed the motion with Ms. Kennebrew today? All right. Ms. Kennebrew, you understand what the motion is that's up today? You do understand what the motion is? Okay, if you don't mind, let her know what's going on.
Yeah.
Just missed the money, you just said that you got it on the third. Yeah, yep, just make sure the payment's done by November third, otherwise you'll set. Okay, does that attorney said, you want to stop to give me something, something, so I just died on. I mean, you can hang out, but if you want to talk to him, but you're all cut it otherwise. Okay, okay, thank you. Oh, thank you. Yeah. And he said, over the.
So we're just waiting for those plastic parties.
Thank you.
Yeah.
That.
He's supposed to be doing it next year, then they're gonna be behind. Gotta find something to do. That can be getting kids on. Pronouncing it. You?
What?
Um.
Okay, I really didn't expect this to take 2 hours.
Yeah.
This all just strengthens us. Evil.
Huh?
Strengthens the family.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Which judge, like by the time ours finally gets posted to them, he really signs for increases and he can't get to us. And he says, I want you guys, and so I look at this, we go to go fight him to the doctor.
Yeah, all right, so say that again, I was, pull me down 911. And not certain things, but when I get on, say, that's what's going on. You might be one little wrong there.
What we witnessed today is the reality of courtroom efficiency: quick resolutions for some, delays and mounting pressure for others. Fines were negotiated, charges dismissed, adjournments granted, and clear expectations set by the judge. The takeaway is simple. Courts reward preparation and accountability, but they remember inaction. If you found this case as revealing as we did, hit that like button. Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns.
Yes.
What's that?